Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. In the following video I wanted to talk to you about Delta Executor. So I've been using this to find different Roblox scripts without needing a key. And great news guys, as you can see I have right here still a brain rot, 99 nights in the forest, and a bunch of others that I'll let you guys discover. So make sure you watch this video until the end so you can start using Delta Executor. So first things first, head over to your settings, scroll down, head over to apps and search for App Store. Okay, then go all the way down and make sure that the offload unused apps is turned off. This is key. After you've done this, search for Safari, then go all the way down, go to advanced and make sure that the JavaScript is turned on. This is important. After you've done this, open up your browser and type in tweakmate.com. Okay guys, so tweakmate.com. Okay guys, and now once you're here, use the search bar and type in Delta, and you will see right here Delta Executor for Roblox. Press on it. Now press install. So guys, I cannot vouch enough for TweakMate. They've been nothing short of great at providing different tweaked apps which are not available on the App Store, and the best part is that so far none of them have been revoked, which is a huge plus. Okay, so this works on both Android and iOS. So Delta Executor mobile scripts with no key needed whatsoever. Okay guys, so a few seconds here, let's give it, and now press allow, close, go back to your settings, then head over to general, VPN and device management, and you will see right here Delta Executor. Press on it. Now type in your passcode, install, and voila guys, now you will have it on your home screen. What you need to do right now is open up the app, and then you will be redirected to a page with a list of offers. Make sure that you follow the instructions correctly and complete at least 3 offers. Some of them are apps, some of them are offers, but do make sure that you follow the instructions correctly for each and every one of them. I've already done this and it took me like a couple of minutes. After this, just restart your phone and then you should be able to use Delta Executor on your iOS or Android. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.